It will always be like this. The Lord will perfect that concerning you. Sooner than later, it will turn in your favor. He's turning it around for you. Church of God, I don't care if it's a thing. It will always be like this. And I'm a shataya. The Lord will perfect it concerning you. Hey! Sooner than later, it will stand in your favor. Over you, when we are over, you will make it. After today, God will take things around. God will change things for you. Woo! Yana Messiah, Shana Manaya Kuramasaya. Allow me to greet. Glory, glory, glory. Glory, glory, glory. Glory to Jesus. Elabashataya. Rabashandeya Mahaya. He's worthy. Shabababababa yandadadadabakosaya. Rababababa yandadadadabakoshe. Yatabaramandadadabakosaya. Elabababa yandadadadabakoshata. It's worthy. Messiah. Jesus, 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 Jesus.